Hi, I am Mariam and this is Curry BI. My goal is to help you feel confident turning messy numbers into meaningful insights that matter at work, in business, or wherever decisions are made. In today's world, statistics is everywhere, whether we realize it or not. From how companies make business decisions to how scientists interpret experiments or how we respond to global events, statistics is the language behind smart decisions. There is data all around us, more information than ever before. But just having data is not enough. We need to know how to make sense of it. That's where statistics comes in. It starts with the basics, understanding how to describe data. What's the average? What's typical? What's unusual? We look at the center, the spread, the patterns, and then we bring that story to life through clear, simple visuals. In this series, I will guide you through the foundation of statistics, concepts like mean, median, and standard deviation. We will explore distributions, understand outliers, and learn how to spot what really matters in a dataset. You don't need to be a maths expert, just curious and ready to see data differently. This is not about memorizing formulas, it's about learning to think statistically so you can feel more confident with data and turn numbers into decisions. And to start off, we will begin with one of the most powerful skills in statistics, choosing the right chart. In the next video, I will walk you through 4 simple charts every beginner must know and how they can instantly make your data easier to read, understand, and explain. Let's get started. Thanks for tuning into Curry BI. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Bye-bye.